let's talk about one of the greatest lies in camping. This was never meant to go back into this. Because every ground tent comes out of the bag like it was vacuum sealed by NASA, and somehow expects you to fold it back using telepathy and hope. You wrestle it, kneel on it, you roll it tighter than humanly possible, and still, the bag looks at you and says, absolutely not. So today we're fixing that. This is packing your ground tent made easy. Not faster by rushing, not cleaner by luck, but easier because you follow a repeatable process that actually works. No swearing, no praying, and no stuffing mud and regret into a bag. Let's get into it. Here's the problem. Most people pack their ground tent emotionally. It's cold, you're tired, the coffee hasn't kicked in, and you're already thinking about the drive home, so you skip some steps. You don't clean it, you don't dry it properly, you don't align anything. You just compress chaos and hope future you forgives you. Spoiler, future you will not forgive you. Because bad packing leads to broken poles, jammed zippers, growing mildew, and smells that should be illegal. And a tent ages 10 years in one trip. Packing well isn't about being neat. It's about gear longevity and easy setup on your next adventure. Before folding anything, stop. Look at your tent. If it's muddy, sandy, wet, or full of leaves, do not pack it yet. This is where most tents die. Shake out dirt and debris, wipe mud off with a cloth or soft brush. Let moisture evaporate if possible. Check corners, seams, and zippers. Even a short 5-minute clean prevents mildew, protects the waterproof coatings, and keeps your tent from smelling like a swamp the next time you use it. A clean tent packs smaller, smoother, and lasts longer. The idea is to take care of your gear, so it takes care of you. Well-maintained gear is less likely to fail and leave you stranded in the rain. This is maintenance disguised as laziness prevention. Here's the secret. The bag isn't too small. Your folding is inconsistent. Stop inventing a new method every trip. Instead, lay the tent flat, align the doors and seams, keep everything symmetrical. The goal is predictability. Same folds, same direction, same width. Because when the fold is controlled, the roll becomes easy. This is how you build muscle memory for camping. Here's a trick that changes everything. Undo the tent from the poles first and let gravity drop the fabric onto itself. Deconstruct the structure and pack it away. Align the folds to the corners. They stop the tent from ballooning out sideways. Take your time to push out any air pockets. Keep tension even. No panic compression required. Stuffing feels fast, but it creates air pockets, uneven bulk, and bag range. Pushing the air out keeps the shape consistent and makes insertion boring in the best way possible. If you're fighting the bag, pause. Unfold, reset, and fold again properly. Camping is not a race. This isn't about perfection. It's about less stress in the morning, faster camp breakdowns, gear that lasts longer, and a tent that's ready when you need it. This is the game changer for me. Once you have all the bits of your camp setup neatly folded or rolled up, loaded into the bag in the reverse order of use. Rainfly goes in first, followed by the main tent body, the ground sheet, and finally, the poles and pegs. This order not only ensures the tent fits in the bag and you don't forget anything at a campsite, but also streamlines setup for your next adventure. When packing becomes automatic, your mind stays calm. And that's what Overland Therapy is about. Not fighting gear, not rushing moments, but creating systems that support your journey. Packing your ground tent doesn't need strength, it needs sequence. Clean it, dry it, fold it the same way, and pack with intention. Do that every time, and suddenly, packing is easy, repeatable, almost satisfying. And that's a rare thing in camping. If this helped you, please drop a comment and let me know what's the one piece of gear you hate packing. Consider subscribing to Overland Therapy for less chaos, more clarity, and better mornings in the wild. See you on the road, or off it.